In this video, I am going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for language learning. Let's get started. First, open Perplexity and log into your account. To activate Learn Mode, type a prompt like, "Teach me Spanish basics using Learn Mode," and press Enter. Perplexity will automatically switch into Learn Mode. Instead of just giving direct answers, it will explain grammar step by step, ask you questions, and give hints to help you think. Learn Mode adapts to your level. It can also create flashcards, quizzes, and practice exercises based on your notes or even screenshots you upload. For vocabulary practice, you can type, "Show flashcards for 20 French food words" with audio. Tap the audio icon on the cards to hear the correct pronunciation. For conversation practice, try, "Role play ordering coffee in Japanese. Correct my replies." Respond naturally, and Perplexity will give feedback and corrections. For grammar, you can say, "Explain the Italian subjunctive tense with examples and quiz me." It will break it down clearly and test your understanding. You can continue the same thread to get ongoing feedback. Your progress is saved in your history, and there are no strict limits for basic learning on the free tier. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.